So today we're continuing with the declutter series, and as you can tell from the title, we are decluttering my wardrobe. And this will be fun because I already know that I will get rid of quite a few things, and my intent is to sell quite a few of them. So I will put a link in the description box down below to my Vinted profile. So if you're from Germany, you can have a look at the stuff and maybe you want to buy something. If not, not. But yeah, so I think I will change into something more comfortable, and then we can get started in my wardrobe. Also, I have severe allergies, so whenever I declutter my clothes or change up my winter's to summer wardrobe, it's not so nice, and I will start sneezing and crying and all of that, and let's hope it works out. So that's why I'm always a bit I don't want to declutter my clothes because it's bad. I have allergy tablets with me and I hope it will work out and I won't suffer that much. But now we talked enough, let's get started. So if you have seen my room tour, I'll link it up here, you have seen that this is my wardrobe. It is really high, you cannot even see the whole of it. And yeah, I will do something about the lighting because if it turns on and off it's not that nice. But I will show you a before shot. I didn't clean anything, so please don't judge me. It's not that organized, so yeah. So I put something here so the light of my wardrobe doesn't go on and off. That would be very distracting. But here's a general overview of how my wardrobe looks right now. As I told you, it's not organized and it really needs a declutter and reorganization. Up here, I can see, where's my finger? Up here I have my summer clothes, which you have seen me put up there in one of my declutter videos, so I will put it up here. Here I have some sweaters, and here I have some stuff that is too small, which I still don't want to get rid of. Or we will have a look, maybe I will. Here I have most of my tops, which have to be on hangers. Here I have some dresses, skirts, pants, and all of the other stuff. Underwear, makeup, and gym stuff. And here, as you can see, my perfumes and everything. And I think we will start here. There's my jewelry and... Okay, so here I have all of my jewelry. So those are jewelry boxes. They're empty because I'm wearing it. So I'm going to get rid of all of those empty boxes because I don't need them and they just take up space.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow.
Okay, so it's like half an hour later or something. I don't know if you can tell. It feels bad and I'm going to stop for today. So this video will go on for a couple of days because I cannot do everything at once, but I will show you what I got rid of until now. So all of that is going, as well as all of that.
Somewhere in the great unknown, when I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. If I could take you back to my youth and show you what I wish I knew, my will is strong with a place to lean. In the moment I hung desperately, the other ring on my wrist is gold, pairing with the light it holds. When I return from my skin and bones, I'm remembering the words you told me.
Say something that will make my day, 'cause these memories of her won't go away. They're haunting me so I can't sleep. She was a pretty little liar who cut me deep, 'cause she left me here alone. Now my bed feels just like...
All of this is what I'm getting rid of, and this is the keep pile. All of that, it will go back into these two things here, and out here I already put in my sweaters. Here all of my pants, and here some of my blouses and stuff which have to be on hangers. I also have quite a few empty hangers here, and also here I am getting rid of all of my blazers because I don't wear them, and also they're my mom's, so I'm going to give them back to her. Yeah, so as you can see, I didn't take it out because I already knew which stuff I'm keeping, and I actually got rid of more than I thought. And now I'm just going to put these back, and we will also tackle these two things here and what's there.
Cobblestone. Oh, why did she go? Oh, was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa, why did she go? I met her back in 2005. It was her crooked little smile that caught my eye. Time went by and it was her and I. She promised me to never leave my side, but she left me here alone. I know it's dumb, I still check my phone, 'cause I can't move on. Whoa, why did she go? Whoa, was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa, just tell me, why did she go? Why did she go? Whoa, was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa,
Okay, so this is everything that we're getting rid of. As you can see, it is a lot, and most of the stuff will go onto my Vinted profile. So if you're from Germany, you can buy some of those clothes. I will wash them, of course, and put them in. I don't think they will be up on Monday when this video is going live, but a couple of days later. So if you want to, you can go down to the link and just follow my profile so you know when they are going up. And yeah, so that's really nice. Also, we are getting rid of those, no, not this one. So we're getting rid of those things here. I'm just going to throw them away because nobody is going to need my bra. So now I'm just going to grab my bags which I don't want anymore. I don't need this bag anymore. I got it for uni, but I'm not going to university anymore. It's all online, so I don't need it. And also I got this bag secondhand. It's really beautiful, but I never ever wear it, so I haven't worn it once since I bought it. I will link the thrift haul up here, but I haven't worn this, so I'm going to sell this as well. And also, I don't know, I don't need this, so I'm going to get rid of this as well. This I use for my beach bag, and everything else I use. Also, I just found this bag. It was my mom's bag, and it's really cool. It's it's I think 20 years old now, but it looks really fashionable because it's in again, so I'm just going to use it for now. And this is an overview of my wardrobe as it's right now. As you can tell, it is a lot cleaner and there's a lot more space. So here's nothing left. Here's are a few things left. Here are fewer things, and here it's a big difference. As you can see, there are empty hangers. I also got rid of hangers which are not gold. I have all of my pants here. The ones I'm wearing will go here. Then I also have space here, which is really nice. So I have to see how this will work out. Then here, this is interesting because in this drawer I have all of the things I would wear at home. I didn't have a drawer like this before, and I ended up wearing the same stuff over and over again, so I want to see how that works out. Whether I look nicer at home when I have this drawer. If not, I will just get rid of some of those things as well, but for now I think it's good. And in here I have all of my jumpers. I will not open it because, as you can see, I have my light fixed so it doesn't go on, so the lighting isn't off. And in here I cannot open it completely. I have my sports bras and all of my sports leggings, and also, like, how are they called? Strumpfhosen. I don't know, write it on the screen. Underwear, makeup, more underwear, and I think I showed you that, didn't I? Oh, wait, let me just open the door. I can show you. So here I have my jewelry, and I did this thing. I don't know if I can show it properly, but I did this one myself. Here's my jewelry. This is for my grandmother, this as well. And my menstruation cup earrings are like not scrunchies but hair ties and everything. And yeah, so that's that. So thank you for watching. This was my wardrobe declutter. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see more declutter videos, I have an entire playlist up here and in the description box. Also, if you're interested in what exactly I got rid of, just follow me on my Vinted page, and I might consider doing a Depop. Just let me know down below in the comments as well. Yeah, so I will see you in my next one. Bye.